Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile and durable Rubbermaid Roughneck Clear 50 QT, 12 gal storage containers, available in a convenient pack of 5 with latching gray lids. These rectangular storage solutions are perfect for mid to long-term storage, especially in areas like attics, basements, or garages where temperatures can fluctuate, thanks to their robust construction that withstands temperatures from 0 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. The clear base allows you to easily identify and locate your belongings, while the snap-fit lids provide an audible click to ensure your items are protected from dust and pests. With built-in handles, these totes are easy to carry, and their stackable design maximizes space, making them ideal for moving, traveling, or simply organizing your home. Made from break-resistant material, these containers are 2x stronger than other clear totes, ensuring they won't crack or buckle under pressure. Plus, their sustainable design means they are washable for simple maintenance and repeated use, helping you reduce waste in your community and beyond. Proudly made in the USA, these containers come with a lifetime warranty, ensuring they are built to last and provide peace of mind for all your storage needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.